Hey, hello guys. Good day to you. This is Ethical. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to find and fix any software issues on your system. All right. In case your system is being hacked, these are the tricks you have to follow to get rid of any virus or worm that is present on your system. All right. So to get started, what you need to do is just hit Windows R on your system. Then you type in MRT. You're going to hit MRT, then you press enter. Okay. All right. So you wait for the system to do the magic, right? Okay. So this comes up, of course. You're going to allow it. So I'll click on yes. So it's coming up. You just click on next. Of course, so there are three methods here, different types of scanning that you can choose from. Okay, I think we'll just keep it simple. I'll go with the first one, which is going to do the quick scan. If you want to do full scan or detailed scan, you can go with the second option. But of course, the first option is okay. So I'll just click on next. All right, so you're going to allow the system to scan your system for viruses that are present on your system. If your system is infected with virus, the system is going to alert you. Then it will show you how to fix that. All right, so let's wait for the scanning to finish. Okay, so you can see the number of files that have been scanned, and under it you're going to see the files that are infected. At of the moment we have zero. It means no file so far has been infected. It's also telling us the time that this scanning started. Okay, and the time is going to elapse. You can see it's currently on 48 seconds, so we just wait for it to complete. So in case you're afraid of, you having virus, worm, or any kind of malware on your system, this is how to get rid of them. Okay, this is how to detect and get rid of them. All right, so you can see we've scanned, so many files. So let's wait for it to complete. Up to now, we still have zero file infected, right? So this is cool. Okay, so you can run this scan actually when you detect that your system is, the performance of your system is very slow. This is when to, run this kind of scan to ensure that there is no file that is being affected. Okay, so as simple as this is how to detect infected files on your device. Okay, the scanning is still in progress. Up to now, we still have, zero file infected, right? So this is cool. All right, I think it is done. And from our results, we have no malicious software was detected. Okay, so it means this computer or this machine is, saved from, viruses. All right, so all I need to do is just click on finish. And of course, guys, that is it, in this video. So if you're able to find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it to your loved ones, right? Okay, bye for now.